Hello, good evening everyone. Ito na naman ako guys. So ipagpapatuloy natin ang ating 1 minute push up daily guys. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako guys. Walang kasawa-sawang push up guys. Ito pong ating routine. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Seventeen, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 push up tayo guys. Nag-grow naman siya guys. Kahapon 30, ngayon 33. So guys, thank you for watching.